Example 1. An electron revolves in the ground state of H2 atom. Calculate. Option 1, velocity. Option 2, radius. Option 3, time period of revolution. Option 4, current generated due to motion of electron. So we know velocity of electron in nth orbit is equal to Z e square 2 epsilon naught nh. Since it is hydrogen atom, Z value is 1 and it is ground state, n value is 1. So velocity of the electron in ground state is equal to Z is 1 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 whole square by 2 into epsilon naught value is 8.85 into 10 power minus 12. N is 1 and H is 6.6 into 10 power minus 34. So by simplifying, what we get? Velocity of an electron in the ground state is 2.18 into 10 power 6 meter per second. So this is what the velocity of an electron in the hydrogen atom in the ground state. And we also need to calculate radius. So radius of an electron in nth orbit is equal to n square h square epsilon naught by m pi z e square, where n is the number of orbits, where h is the Planck's constant, epsilon naught is permittivity of free space, m is the mass of electron, and z is the atomic number, and e is the charge value. Let us substitute the values here. So radius in nth state, of course we are talking about ground state, n is 1, so 1 square into h value is 6.6 into 10 power minus 34 whole square. Epsilon naught is 8.85 into 10 power minus 12 by mass of charge is 9.1 into 10 power minus 31, pi is 3.14 and z is 1 and e is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 whole square. By simplifying, radius of an electron in the ground state, we will get it as 0.53 into 10 power minus 10 meters or 0.53 angstroms. We also need to calculate time period and current. So we can write time period is equal to 2 pi r by v. We know radius and we know velocity. We can substitute here. So 2 into 3.14 into radius is 0.53 into 10 power minus 10 by velocity is 2.18 into 10 power 6. By simplifying, time period we will get it as 1.52 into 10 power minus 16 seconds. And we also need to calculate the current. So current is equal to charge by time. So charge is nothing but the electron which revolves around. So 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. But time is 1.52 into 10 power minus 16 seconds. So therefore the current we get it as 1.048 into 10 power minus 3 amps, or current is equal to 1.048 milliamps.